Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an Etsy seller account. So basically, this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to simply go to Etsy or Etsy.com. And then here you can sign in, register using your email, password, or you can also create an account by just connecting it with your Google, Facebook, with Apple. For me, the easiest is just connect it with my Google account. And this is my Etsy account. Now, the second thing to do here is you need to tap on the shop manager and create your Etsy shop by going first with the shop preferences. Here, you need to add the shop language here, the shop country, and also shop currency. You need to follow this instruction. So start with the shop language. You just have to click the arrow facing down to select that specific language, country, and currency. So here, what you're going to do is you have to look for the language, the country, currency. It will automatically appear here. Once done, tap on save and continue, and then here you have to add the name of your shop. You have to follow the instruction below between 4 to 20 characters, no special character spaces or other letters. So basically, you have to add it right here. For example, do it with Alex a shop or do it with Alex. And then after that, they will notify you that this one is valid. So what you're going to do next is tap on the save and continue. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to add the information of how you will get paid. So basically, where is your bank located? Austria. And then here you have to add the information of the tax or tax purposes. And then here you have to tap individual or incorporated business. And then after that, you have to basically scroll down here and tell about yourself, the country of residence. You have to click this one, Austria. And then after that, you have to add your first name. You need to add your last name here. Also, you need to add your date of birth, a selected day, select month, the year, and then taxpayer address, the number, the street name, your apartment, postal code, city, phone number. And once you're done, then you can move on with the bank information, the full name on account, the bank name, and so on. Once done, tap on save and continue. So here is the next step, which is your share your or set up billing or share your billing. Here you need to add a credit card, the card number, the expiration date, CCV. You have to choose your month here, name on card, a billing address, okay, your location, your country, your street address, and so on. So as you can see, you won't be charged now. They will charge you with you just have to read the instruction below. Okay. So with the listing fee, it will be automatically converted to your payment account currency. Okay. So once you're done setting up the bill, then you can now proceed with the shop security. So you have to click the shop security and you have to follow this. So as you can see, keep your shop extra safe. So you need to add the authentication application. You need to follow the information here. You need to set up backup codes so that your account or your store will be totally safe. So that's the good thing about this Etsy. So what you're going to do is you just have to simply follow the instruction. Use a strong, unique Etsy password. Turn on two-factor authentication. This adds extra security step when logging in. Secure your email account. So your email is important because it can be used to reset your Etsy password. Watch for phishing messages. Don't click suspicious links. Never give anyone your Etsy login or verification codes, of course. Keep your payment and personal information private. Check your Etsy account regularly and use Etsy's official website app when managing your shop. Okay. So once done, then you can now create a listing, add your products here. You can start adding your products here on Etsy. So basically, you just have to simply add your first product, add your product photos, title description, and then your thumbnail. You will see the information right here. If you're selling digital products, make sure they follow Etsy's rule for digital items. So open your shop. You can open it once your payment, billing, identity verification, and first listing are completed. You can now open your shop. After that, you can customize your shop with a logo, banner, about section, and shop policies. Okay, so basically that's it. Now you can now start looking and exploring your Etsy shop. That's how easy it is. You just have to follow the instruction before opening your shop. Make sure Etsy payment is available in your country. Etsy currently requires most new sellers to onboard with Etsy payments. New shops may not be able to open in locations where Etsy payment isn't available. So basically, that's it. The process is simple. Create an Etsy account, go to Etsy.com, sell, choose your shop preferences, create your shop name, set up payments, verify identity, add your first listing, open your shop. So once your shop is live, you can start adding more products and promoting your Etsy store. And that's how to create an Etsy seller account and open an Etsy shop. So this is an example. As you can see, this is Do It With Alex shop store. I can upload a more here on my Etsy, but make sure that you have added the information needed. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.